How to change or set default PDF viewer on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change or set default PDF viewer on Android. So if you ever encountered any PDF files and when you try to open it and you set the particular application with opening with the any applications on your device such as Google Drive or your Microsoft files and set it as always, and you want to finally clear that option and you want to open this same PDF file with a different application. So in that case, what you want to do is just come to your settings. It's pretty simple, and once you're inside your settings, just select this apps section. So once you're inside here, just click on search and just search in for the application which you have allowed for the always option to open any PDF files. So once you're inside here, you can simply tap on this set as default button over here. So as you can see, so this is my current application which has been set as always to open the PDF file. So you can basically click on this clear button just like this. And once you click on this clear button, you can try reopening the same PDF file and it will ask you to choose another application to open that same PDF files, and you can restart the process just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.